4 steps that pull in millions of views every single month, and I'm handing you the exact playbook. Learn it, steal what's working, make content, send DMs. That's it. That is how you make money with Claude. You don't need to be an expert. You just need a few hours, my free tutorials, and the guts to send DMs. It's simple, but don't sleep on this because everyone wants Claude training right now. But not everyone is willing to take this first step. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell because in 2026, Claude is the hottest tool that everyone wants to learn. There's 3 main features of Claude right now. You have the chat feature, you have the co-work feature, and you have the code feature, the feature that I use the most currently. The chat feature is pretty basic. You put in a prompt and it spits out output, but there's still a ton of people out there that have never touched AI and still don't know the basics and the fundamentals. So if you learn the best way to communicate with the chat feature via specific prompts or how to word your prompts, this is going to help a ton of people out, and that's the first thing that you could start with. But if that seems too simple, you could always jump into co-work, learning how you could use Claude to move around different automations and take over control of your computer or other people's computers as well. And then you have code. This one's going to be a lot more advanced for developers or anybody trying to build software and apps. That's where code's going to shine out the brightest, but whichever one you're more comfortable using, that's what I would stick with in the beginning. Now, one of the main reasons you want to jump onto Claude right now is because we're seeing a large migration from ChatGPT over to Claude. This is due to concerns over hallucinations, output concerns, and more notably, mass surveillance. Yet last month they still had 894 million users. To be honest, most people don't really care about the politics. They just care whatever is more convenient for them at this time. Step 1 is very simple, actually learning how to utilize Claude. For the average person with no tech experience, you're going to want to at least put in 10 hours, which roughly equates to about 2 weekends, give or take, if you're not binging Netflix or playing video games or hanging out with the boys. A great place you can learn from is right here on this channel, but don't just watch videos. Make sure you're also implementing and doing the same steps that's in the video. That way you're actually getting practice with Claude, with the software. Once you get more comfortable, then you can kind of dive deeper into what you're interested in and what that relates to as far as demand. Step 2 is to steal my Claude content. Yes, I'm giving you full permission to literally rip off my Claude videos. But instead of completely copy and pasting my content, you want to repurpose and kind of restructure my content. Make the hook better and stronger if you can. If there was a part that you were confused on that is in one of my videos or that you could do better, perfect. That is more power to you versus just copy and pasting the exact same thing that I've done. Plus, it's more ethical to add in your own spin, your own version of things versus just copy and pasting somebody else's work. What you're going to do is you're going to take the content that you enjoy learning about. Maybe it is making websites, or maybe you enjoy creating videos with AI. That's the type of content you're going to want to try to focus on creating. Then you're going to want to list off what's confusing in my content or other people's videos that doesn't make sense that you could improve on. What was the process really like? And how can you simplify it so somebody else has an easier time understanding watching your content? This is where you start to add more value and your authority starts to grow. But again, if you're thinking in terms of just money, you have to think, where is the demand? Are you targeting solopreneurs, people who are alone? Are you targeting big businesses that have developers, that have full marketing teams? Who is your target audience and what are you trying to create for them? While there's a ton of content out there for developers and marketers using Claude, there's not a whole lot of content out there on how you can use Claude in a team setting, or how you can use Claude for your sales team, how you can use Claude for HR, or even how you can use it for better hiring practices. When you find that thing, your follow-up question is going to be, how can I hook this up to their current system? Do they have a current system? What is their system? Once you start asking these questions, this is where you start to get into your offer, and that is step 3. But how do you actually get customers? What exactly is your offer? I know it can be easy to get caught up in what you should sell and how much you should sell it for, but people spend way too much time on their offer and not enough time at the task at hand. You need to be focusing on learning and mastering your craft with Claude before packaging up an offer. And I assure you, your offer is going to change a ton. You might start off doing one-on-one. You might start off doing one-on-group or one-on-many, maybe a cohort. You might do a course. You might do a specific workshop or a training. There's a lot of different things that you could do to package up your offer. It really doesn't matter how good an offer you have, though, if you don't have any customers, if you don't have any traffic. In order for you to get clients or customers, I'm going to walk you through the long-term strategy here. The strategy I recommend to get more clients and customers is building an audience in a space that sets you up for the long term. Let's just pretend that you have an offer that uses Claude and Remotion to automatically make videos that they can pump out and have unlimited videos. This also includes automatic reposting across all platforms: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Very powerful stuff. I recommend you start with shorts. They're so much easier to manage and you get much faster feedback versus long form content. Trust me, you'll post 20 something long form videos. Nobody's going to watch it because you're starting from zero. It's a lot more work and you're more likely to burn out. It will be devastating. Shorts are just easier, faster, and it's much harder to burn out from. If you can, try for 2 a day and copy existing viral videos that have proven to work, especially focus in on the hook, the first 10 seconds of that short. While most people are out there chasing fast cash, you are going to be here building a brand, creating content, building a foundation that's going to serve you over a long period of time. And it doesn't just have to be for this business. It can be for whatever you want to do next. Step 4 is the real grind. This is where we do outbound and actually start sending DMs. Volume is the reason most people fail at using DMs. So starting out, try to aim for 1, preferably 200 DMs every single day, whether that's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or X. Careful on X. But don't just randomly, blindly start DMing people. Instead, you need to curate your own targeted list. Here's an example. If you go to Instagram and you search for a specific Claude video, right? Just look up Claude on Instagram and look for videos that have 10,000 views or more. Oftentimes, you will see in the post that they say comment Claude or comment automation for whatever the thing that they're trying to offer. And you see a bunch of people in the comment section typing that word. Those are your leads. Those are the people that you want to start DMing. What you really want to do is split test your DMs. Don't just send the same DM over and over again. Send the first style to 30 people, then try a second style to the next 30 people, and the third style, etc. Just try out multiple different styles to see what gives you the best chances of them responding back to you. Again, you should not be trying to sell anybody in these first DMs. The thing that you should be doing is qualifying with specific questions. Do you know how to use Claude for this specific use case? Ask them a question that you've already solved that's related to what they're asking. Or another option is see what other people are asking in the comment section as well. Sometimes something wasn't clear or they have a specific question. You could follow up with them directly in the DMs. I had this same exact problem last week and I wrote up a skill to solve that problem. Do you want me to send it over real quick? If they respond, great. Send them that information or that lead that they were looking for, and then make sure to follow up with your quick elevator pitch or the product or service that you're offering. This shows that you lead with value and you have authority in the space. After a few days, maybe even a few weeks, you will start to get people engaging on the content that you're creating on your socials. Anybody who likes or comments, shoot them a DM. Hey, I saw that you liked my post. Did my skill work for you? If they respond, great. Give them gratitude for the feedback and follow up. Hey, I'm glad I could help. If you want my full skills library, I'd be happy to send it over, and then you can shoot them your actual product or service. It's not rocket science. It's very simple, but it does take effort. And just a quick recap here, you're going to learn from tutorials, you're going to steal from tutorials, you're going to make content out of it, preferably in short form content, at least 2 times per day, and last, you're going to do cold outreach via DMs, split testing your different offers and cold outreach approaches. Most people give up after 3 days. Their content flops or nobody replies to their DMs. Most people don't even get to this point in the video. But if you made it this far, you hold the strongest advantage. Where most people give up after 3 days, I want you to commit 90 days. If you can commit for 90 days, you will see results. But that's only if you get past day 1, which you can start right now by watching this video right here. Learn from it, implement the steps, then make your own version of it. Until you actually use Claude, you won't learn by watching. You learn by taking action.